With this new AI trading strategy, the chances of losses are dramatically minimized. I've put it to the test on diverse assets from Bitcoin to major forex pairs like Euro USD and New Zealand dollar Japanese yen, and the results were absolutely astonishing. The winning ratio sometimes reaches 75% and above. It is brilliantly simple and enabling even newcomers to effortlessly rake in trading profits. Without wasting any time, let's begin the tutorial. To apply the indicators to the chart, open the Indicators tab and search for LuxAlgo signals and overlays, and add this one to your chart. And for our second indicator, we want to use the Price Action Concepts indicator. They are premium indicators and you can test them 30 days risk-free using the link in my bio for up to a 20% discount. And for an even sweeter deal, consider the annual payment to save up to 50%. Now, before I am going to show you the specific strategy for today's video, let's first customize our indicators, and let's start with the Price Action Concepts by double-clicking on it. For this strategy, we're only going to use the internal market structure labels, so make sure this option right here is set to All. And for the look-back length, I'd recommend using a value between 5 and 10, depending on the time frame you're trading and on the volatility of your asset. Now let's access the settings of the Signals and Overlays indicator and customize it for our strategy. First, for the presets and filters, we want to use None. For the signal mode, you want to use Confirmation and Exits. But as you do not need the exit signals for this strategy, you want to click the Style tab and uncheck both the bullish and the bearish exit signals. Heading back to the Input section, make sure to enable the AI Signal Classifier, leave the signal sensitivity as it is, and set the candle coloring to Confirmation Simple. Moving on to the indicator overlays. For this strategy, you want to use both the trend catcher and the trend tracer, and you want to leave the reactivity by default set to 3. Now, before we dive into the strategy, let's examine one more crucial overlay, the Take Profits and Stop Losses. The TPSL Levels feature allows us to spot real-time take profit and stop loss levels, which can be customized via the drop-down menu to fit our specific trading conditions. This feature, one of the latest updates from the creators of LuxAlgo, offers massive potential for optimizing our trades. For today's strategy, we'll set it to Signals. And finally, for the last crucial adjustment, you want to set the AI classifier to 3 and 4. And depending on your chosen time frame and the volatility of the asset, you want to set the autopilot sensitivity to short, mid, or long term. I'll go with mid-term for trading the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen on the 30 minutes time frame. Now let's learn the complete rules for buying and selling with this strategy. To initiate a long trade, 4 conditions must be met. First, an AI buy signal must appear. Second, the trend catcher must be bullish, indicated by a green-colored line. Third, the trend tracer has to be bullish as well, so it needs to be colored in blue. And finally, the most crucial step is to wait for a bullish BOS label to appear within the next 10 candlesticks after the AI signal appeared. And now you want to open a buy trade on the next candlestick if these conditions are present. Let's go through another buy entry example using this strategy. To start, you need 4 things to line up. First, look for an AI buy signal. Next, make sure the trend catcher is colored green, which means it's bullish. Third, check that the trend tracer is colored in blue. And finally, a bullish BOS label must appear within the next 10 candlesticks after the AI signal appeared. If all these are in place, go ahead and start your buy trade on the next candlestick. Regarding the stop loss for buy trades, it depends on the volatility of the asset or time frame. When the volatility is high, it's better to use the second stop loss level to accommodate larger price swings and protect your trade. Traders, if you like this strategy, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. On the flip side, let's look at setting up a sell trade with this strategy. To initiate a sell trade, 4 conditions must be met. First, an AI sell signal must appear. Second, the trend catcher must be bearish, indicated by a red-colored line. Third, the trend tracer has to be bearish as well, so it needs to be colored in orange. And finally, the most crucial step is to wait for a bearish BOS label to appear within the next 10 candlesticks after the AI signal appeared. You want to open a sell trade on the next candlestick if these conditions are present. Let's go through another sell entry example using this strategy. To start, you need 4 things to line up. First, look for an AI sell signal. Next, make sure the trend catcher is colored red, which means it's bearish. Third, check that the trend tracer is colored in orange. And finally, a bearish BOS label must appear within the next 10 candlesticks after the AI signal appeared. If all these are in place, go ahead and start your sell trade on the next candlestick. Regarding the stop loss for sell trades, same as for buy trades, it depends on the volatility of the asset or time frame. And then, for taking profit, you'll want to aim for the second take profit level. Alternatively, you can use the first take profit level to close half of your position and secure some early gains, and then set your stop loss to break even and let the remaining position run until it reaches the second take profit level. You can test the indicators 30 days risk-free using the link in my bio for up to a 20% discount, or to save up to 50%, take the annual plan. If you want to learn my best strategies for trading forex, cryptocurrencies, and stocks, check out one of these videos.